emotions. Okay, I'm kidding. Give me a second. Hi guys, recently a woman told me a story how she was skiing abroad. She fell down and broke her leg, but no one understood what was wrong with her because she didn't know the language. Fortunately, everything ended well, but so that you do not get into such situations, today we will look at the topic of expressing emotions. When we express our emotions and feelings, we need to use personal pronouns of the dative case. For example, when we say we are cold in Russian, we don't use «я холодно». We say «мне холодно». Do you see the difference? It's called to me. Yeah, in English it's called to me. And I want to remind you the personal pronouns of the dative case. Мне, тебе, ему, ей, нам, вам, им. When you need to say that something is painful, or you can say мне больно. Remember the story I told you in the beginning? The woman could say that ей больно. To say that you are having fun, you can use the phrase «Мне весело». Мне весело на этой вечеринке, и я не хочу уходить. Такая идиотка, блядь. Я вот так вот сделала, я не хочу уходить. Мне кажется, нормально. When something makes you unhappy or sad, you can use «Мне грустно». Мне грустно, что я не смогу присутствовать на вечеринке, потому что болею. When it's hot outside and there is high temperature in summer, so you can barely breathe, we say «Мне жарко». Мне жарко. Купи мне воды, пожалуйста. In the opposite, when there is a low temperature outside and it's cold, you say «Мне холодно». Возьми, пожалуйста, теплую куртку. Мне холодно. If something that is interesting keeps your attention because they are unusual, exciting, or have lots of ideas, you can say that «Мне интересно смотреть запутанные детективы». Or «Мне интересно», да все, мне не интересно, ни хера. Wednesday, среда. And the word of the day is «Мне не интересно, ни хера». When you're feeling tired and unhappy because something is not interesting or because you have nothing to do, you say «Мне скучно». Давай посмотрим фильм, мне скучно ничего не делать. If you are frightened or worried, that means вам страшно. What are emotions when you watch scary movies? Мне всегда очень страшно. It's not true. But мне страшно. If you want to describe your emotions in the past, just add было before the word of emotion. For example, мне было очень страшно, когда я смотрела ужастик. For the future tense, use будет. Говорят, завтра будет очень жарко. Finally, it's time for practice. Convert English sentences into Russian and write them in the comments. We will check them together. I'm sad that no one came to my birthday. She got cold and they went home. That's it, guys. See you soon. Пока.